Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yes. 1 minute only. One thing. Who are joining in away 11 o'clock? Okay, those students only leave the pages. 10 pages, leave that one. After 10 pages only, now in your notes, you have to start a what? Here, data retrieval language. Today onwards, you understandable. Not a problem. Now here, why? Because in a 10 o'clock, students only completed a DDL, DML completed. They're starting a what? So now DQL onwards. But unfortunately, you are not completed that one only. Only DDL we are starting only. Now here, those all the things completed after DQL. Then okay, so both the combination only dispatch. Okay, yeah. So now after 10 pages, you have to leave that one. Then we have to start a what today onwards. Everyone understandable, very easy way. How we are retrieving the data from the where database. Actually, up to now, 10 o'clock students having a what? DDL commands, they have an idea. DML also, they have an idea. Next, another one is what? Very, very, very interesting, very important one only. This is a main concept only, that is called DQL, data query language, or DRL, data retrieval language. Here in every database, same concept, select. Select only main concept in a database side. Very, very, very important. Write it, side heading. Data retrieval language. Data retrieval language or ten pages. Okay. That is better, no? Okay. Data retrieval language or data query language. Data retrieval language or data query language. Within the parentheses, DRL or DQL. Select. Very interesting. Today you are only writing the queries. Write it. Select. Data retrieval language or data query language. This is also called as DRL or DQL. Most important verb is select. And now check it out. Concentrate here. What is select means? Maybe everyone very good knowledge in aware select only. Why? Because in a database side, important concept is this select only. This is a relational database, either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, any database. Okay, fine. You are a Java developer, for example. You are a Python developer. You are a TabView developer, PQ developer, any developer, otherwise SQL developer. Here, single table or multiple tables data is there. If you want to fetch data from these multiple tables or single table, then we go for which concept we are using. Select is a command we are using. Select means selecting a what data from database and displayed into where any environment, either yes front-end application, otherwise back-end like SQL plus tool also possible. Toad is a tool also possible. DB, sorry, okay, so now here so PL SQL developer, SQL developer tool also possible. SQL navigator also possible. That's why select is used to retrieve the data from the where database. Retrieve data from database means singular or multiple tables, anything. Suppose here, now I am experienced person, I am writing a what, some data, for example. Suppose here so many tables are there, EMP, DEPT, some tables are there in my database. Now I want to retrieve some report means I am experienced person means I am writing a what, a query like this. Don't write it. Here, now here, observe here, check it out. Something I am writing only one of the stage you are familiar. These all the things one of the stage you are very good knowledge only. These type of big queries in a future you are writing. Suppose here I am writing a what here like this. Yes, this query go to where a database internally. Here table format only data is there. Whatever query I'm writing only from this query only here from these tables, they retrieve the data here like. Now I'm pressing enter key. Yes, some report it will be generated or not. This data, each department sum of salary, this data is coming from what? A number of tables, and I'm generating a what? This report, a beautiful application. That's why the strong knowledge is required. Select query writing knowledge is required only. That's why always data retrieval language, retrieve means fetching the data, or data query language, DRL, DQL means we are using a what? Select is a keyword. Write it some theory. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, in all relational databases, if you want to fetch data from table, fetch means retrieve. In all relational databases, if you want to fetch data from table, in all relational databases, if you want to fetch data from table, then we must use a select statement. Fetch means retrieve. In all relational databases, if you want to fetch data from table, then we must use select statement. What is the syntax of select statement? So many fellows are telling what is the select statement syntax? Anybody have an idea? Very good. So many fellows are telling select star from which one? Table name they are telling. Anybody telling like this means blunder mistake. This is not true. First time easiness purpose, maybe so many fellows are telling select star from table name they are telling. But unfortunately, original syntax means not like that. Why means here original syntax is totally different. What is that one means? Here select is there, not a star. Why? Because whenever we are using a group by is a clause is there, in that case star we are not allowed to use. That's why select a number of columns from table name. Here where condition up to today, that's why where condition I'm not writing. Today onwards we are learning. After that one group by clause. After that one having clause. And now here yes. After that one, so now here yes here. And now here order by clause. That much of powerful. That's a big syntax. That's why in a newcomer purpose, two syntaxes they are telling only. What is that one observed here? First is what? A select statement. Here from clause. Here where clause. Here group by having. Order by, so many things are there. This is original. Okay, don't write it only. Just observe it here. Having is a clause is there in a feature. And now one of the stage you are familiar with all the things only. Okay, fine here. And now here check it out. Now here order by clause is there. Okay, fine. This much of big syntax. Observe here. First is select, not a star columns. From clause, where clause first, then only group by, then only having, then only order by. Anybody changing this order means it won't work. This is the original select statement only. What is that one means? We are learning one of these days. But first select star from table name, right? Syntax, write it. Select star from table name. What is star also? Today I will tell you. This is one model. Select star from table name is basic level. In a newcomer means lately connected means like. Okay. And now here original one, not a star only. Here big syntax is there. This syntax also right. This is one of the stage you are good. Select number of columns from table name, where clause first, then only group by something is there, then only having is there, then only order space by is there. Here square bracket why they are giving me square bracket they are giving me that is a what optional. These keywords you are using or not using not a problem. That is ASC means ascending order, DSC means descending order. This is where clause first, then only group by space, group space by, then only having, then only order space by. What is where clause, what is group by, what is having, what is order by, we are learning in this select statement. Okay, don't worry. But first note it out. This is order, very, very important order. This is another select statement. Okay, yes, in a feature. We are good at what? Big queries. You are experienced person means this type of queries you are writing, where class, group by, having, order by, same order is there something. Then later you are write it. Today very easily you are writing the queries, don't worry. Complete. All are writing this one fast. Hello. Completed. Nothing is there in every database, something only. Okay. Whenever we are using a group by, there is no star only. That's why columns I'm giving. Don't worry. These are all the things you are learning one of these days. Today, where condition you are starting on. Don't worry. And now check it out. But unfortunately, easiness purpose, Oracle, ANSI ISO SQL giving a what? 4 ways you are writing a what select statement in every database. What is that one means? Maybe so many fellows having an idea that one. How you are writing a what select statement means don't write it. 4 ways in every database also. Don't write it. Just first time newcomer, non-technical person purpose. ANSI ISO SQL giving a what this scenarios first. Then only we are starting. How can I write queries? I will tell you. First, what they are telling. Select. Don't write it. Don't write it. Select all columns only. So many times we are selecting. All columns only we are selecting so many times. And means not a okay, anything. Or now logical. All rows also we are selecting so many times. Okay, fine. Again, sometimes different only. What is that one? Select here. All columns also we are selecting so many times, and selecting a what? Particular rows also we are selecting. Particular rows. Okay, so many times. Particular rows also we are selecting. Sometimes we are selecting a what? Select here. Particular columns also we are selecting. Particular columns in every database select statement. Particular columns also we are selecting. Very easy in a daily we are using. Here all rows also we are selecting so many times. Again, last scenario in any database select statement also these 4 only there. Select particular columns also we are selecting, and also particular rows also we are selecting so many times. Particular rows from a table we are selecting. Oh, based on this 4 scenarios, easily you are understandable. Or maybe after select keyword, first columns only, last only rows only. Okay, fine, understandable. Now check it out. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation, don't write it, don't write it, just observe here. All columns means nothing is there. Select all columns means which symbol? Anybody? Very good. One fellow is telling a what correct answer. Yes, here all columns means nothing is there. All columns in a table I want to select means which symbol they are giving a what? ANSI standard. Very good. Star is a symbol. Very good. Asterisk. Star is nothing but all columns, not a rows. All columns only. But why rows are selected means I will tell you. All columns means star. Okay, fine. Again, particular rows means today we are writing a what beautiful concept only. Suppose here this a table is there. In this table, 5 rows are there. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now only these 3 rows only I want to retrieve. For example, only these 3 rows only I want to retrieve. For example, okay, fine. These 3 rows only I want to retrieve. Yes, I want to fetch a what these 3 rows means. Just we are writing a what. How can I a particular rows we are selecting means. Today we are using a what, a where clause. Where clause means rows. Where clause. Always in every database, where clause returns a what, a boolean value, either true or false. How can I write means? Today I am telling a techniques. Through that one we are writing only. Here where clause always returns a boolean value, either true or which one, false only. Whenever condition is true, but that condition based only, we are retrieving a what, a particular rows from the table. How can I miss? I will tell you. Don't worry. Today you are also writing one of the steps for it. Now here particular columns means not like that. Particular columns means always here after select keyword only column names, comma we are using in place of star, column name 1, comma, column name 2, any number of columns also we are using only for the word. But here so many fellows having a doubt, oh maybe rows means particular rows means where clause, okay. Columns means either star, all columns means star, particular columns I want to display means comma, 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 column names, okay, fine. But unfortunately, what is my doubt means so many fellows having a doubt. Murli sir, all columns means star you are telling, but select star from table name means rows also displayed. Why? All rows means actually particular rows means where clause you are telling only, but why rows are displayed? Some fellows are asking. Why means reason is there. Don't write it, just observe here, concentrate here. Suppose now concentrate, don't write it anything, just observe here. This is a database is there. For example, what they are telling ANSI standard, 5 minutes concentrate. Very important this one. Now here, this is a NA database, Oracle or SQL server, NA database like this internally there. Now here, for example, EMP is a predefined table is there in this database, for example. Here, so many columns are there. For example, employee number, e-name, job, some columns are available. Predefined table, employee number, e-name, job, MGR. Okay, some columns are available. These are called columns. Now some rows are there. Okay, fine. Some rows are there. These are called, blue lines are called rows. These are columns only. Now here I am typing a what here, select, observe here, select star I am typing. For example, today one of these days, select the star from table name I am typing. That is the syntax. Here semicolon. Whenever star means I am also, you are also thinking means a star means all columns. That's why control goes to where? This table. Okay, fine. Here all columns. Here employee number, e-name, job is there. Here these all columns are retrieved from the where database and displayed into where environment. Okay, fine. Here yes, employee number is displayed. E-name is displayed. Here job is displayed. MGR displayed. All columns are displayed like all columns information it will displayed. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, what is the problem? Yes, star means all columns. I am also, you are also expecting correct. But unfortunately, rows also displayed. Why rows also displayed means reason is there. Rows means actually particular rows means where clause. But unfortunately, whenever you are writing a select statement in any database also, if you are not writing a what where clause also, default where clause is there. Internally, default where clause is there. Default where clause internally there. That's why this where clause, default where clause always returns a what? True. True means in this case, default true means all rows are retrieved. That is important. That's why here these blue lines are rows also. This is also displayed only. That's why star means not a rows actually. Star means columns. But why all rows also displayed means always. Now here, yes, whenever you are not using any where clause also internally by default database servers uses default where clause. The default where clause returns a what? All values. Suppose really that is correct or not, I am checking. Select the star from here table name, a predefined table, don't worry. Star means all columns, I am agree. Now here observe here, star means all columns only. These are columns, okay, correct. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, like. But here, how all rows are also displayed, these rows also displayed means reason is there. Here, again, I'm repeating here, observe here, where clause, they are not telling only. Whenever you are not using a what where clause means, now here, yes, here we are not using a what where clause also. Anybody not telling also where clause you are not using also. Yes, internally database servers uses what default where clause, default where clause. Default where clause always returns a what boolean value true only. True means all rows are displayed. That's why 14 rows also displayed. I don't want like this. In a future, yes, only first two rows. I want two rows, three rows, for example, in a rows. But if you want to filter the data means where clause we are using. Don't write it here, where clause. One of the stage today, one of the stage, how you are writing a where clause, I will tell you. And now where condition is there, for example. Suppose here two rows I want, for example. Okay, fine. Some where condition we are using only. One of the stage, how you are writing a what where clause, I will tell you. And now here, check it out. This is a buffer semicolon we are not using. Now here check it out here, observe here. Yes, whenever we are writing a what where clause, where okay something only, this row number, all the things you don't have not in this class. Here less than or equal to 2 means two rows. Here observe here only two rows it will be written. Oh, maybe star means all columns like this. Okay, fine. Here where condition means always particular rows only, here like this. Some rows data only. Now here check it out here something 5 rows I want me something is there. What is row number? Don't worry. Here 5 rows it will be displayed or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why rows are nothing but I want where clause something is there. Okay. Columns means star only. Suppose I don't want all columns means in place of star comma we are using. Suppose e name comma another column. Which columns you are interested to display comma. Okay, fine. That's why after select comma, column names, comma means here number of columns like this. All the columns I don't want in a table. Here where condition means rows only. Here some conditions are there. I will tell you. So now those rows okay like this restriction. That's why always how much easy on our first time newcomer side how they are learning means in every relational database system in the worldwide also how many ways they are writing about queries. 4 ways only. One is select all columns and also particular rows, again particular columns and particular rows only. These 4 scenarios are regularly we are using a what? So now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Okay. Suppose wherever a star we are using all columns, automatically all rows also selected. Okay. Yes, here. That is only different. Remaining all the things easily understandable or not. Write it these scenarios. All columns means star we have to write. Just these 4 scenarios write it in a future. Okay, example not required because daily we are using so many examples. Here particular rows means where clause. Today one of these days where condition I will tell you. This where condition always returns a what boolean value either true or false. Particular columns means after select particular columns means number of columns. Column 1, comma, column 2, comma, any number of columns. Select number of columns. Just these 4 scenarios write it and also maybe all columns means star, particular rows means where condition understandable, particular columns means number of columns, comma you are understandable enough. Example not required because daily we are draw these 4 scenarios. complete fast. Very easy. Okay, now here. Now check it out. Now onwards, very, very, very important. How you are writing what queries? That is most powerful. So many fellows are in a net only, so many queries are there. Those queries, so many queries, 1,000 queries, 2,000 queries, 10,000 queries, they are practicing. But unfortunately, in an interview asking a what query, they are unable to write. There is a problem. Why they are unable to write a what queries means simple techniques are there, query writing side only. That doesn't have an idea. That is a problem. Just I am designing about simple, beautiful techniques only. Through that one, you are following about those techniques. You never mistaken any complex query also. Very easy. What the technique means? Simple. Just what I am suggesting means two sides I am telling only. Actually, in a word database, how they are writing a select statement means first step is what? Operators are there. No? Operators are there in a okay, so Java, C, C++, this type of languages are operators are there. How operators are used in a select statement, you have an idea. So many queries you are writing. Some techniques through. I will tell you techniques. Again, once you are good at what that one, half of the queries you are writing, then functions are there. Next only topic functions are there. How you are using a what functions in a where select statement, I will tell you tricks only. And now here, yes, here, whenever once group functions are there, then group by, having, order by, then select statement is finished. Then through that select statement, anything also, anybody also writing. That is a technique. Just a proper way you are learning means there is no difficulty, very easy way. Today you are also understandable how much easy select statement I will tell you. That's why now first observe here 1 minute only. Now here check it out. Yes, here what is that one means, how you are writing the what queries means what I am suggesting. Don't write it only. This is a universal concept, not only Oracle. Every database you are check it out, same thing is there. Actually, what I am telling, don't write it 5 minutes only. Operators are used in select statement. Okay, fine. That's the first step only. Operators are used in select statement. What are the operators are there in every database in the worldwide, not only Oracle side. Observe here, 4 categorization is there in every database. This is the first step. Don't write it here. Arithmetic operators are there. Arithmetic operators are available. Arithmetic operators. Another one is in every database, another operators are there. What is that one means? Relational operators. Relational operators. Relational operators. Today, relational operators through how you are writing the queries, I will tell you. Very easy. Relational operator, or these so many fellows are called as what? Comparison operators. Comparison operators. Another one is what? Logical operators. Here, logical operators. Logical operators. Another one is in every database, special operators. That is important. Special operators are what? Most powerful. Special operators. Operators. Don't write it. Don't write it. In every database, in a select statement, how you are writing operators, I will tell you techniques today. But unfortunately, where we are using what operators, where we are not using in a select statement, I will tell you, don't worry. But before that one, you have 4 categorization of operators are there in every database. One is arithmetic, another one is relational, another one is logical, another one is special operator. But Oracle side, which symbols are there, I will tell you now. Oracle side, observe here, always, which symbols are available means check it out. Suppose here, slight difference. In a way, same like a normal language, arithmetic operator means, yes, here division is there, okay, fine. Here multiplication is there, okay, fine. Addition is there and subtraction is available. But some percentage symbol is not there. Why means actually Oracle Corporation not giving a what percentage symbol to find out a remainder. If you want to find out a remainder means here some other function is there. What is that function means? Mod is a function they are giving. Percentage symbol why they are not giving means to find out a remainder means percentage symbol why they are not giving means percentage symbol in a PL/SQL another purpose only they are giving. That's why percentage symbol is not there in SQL. To find out what a remainder means here in a future, mod is a function we are using only. Okay, that's why only arithmetic operator means these 4 operators are there. But relational operator means everyone knows double equal to is not there, single equal to is there, equal to, less than, comma, don't write it here, less than or equal to, same like a normal language, greater than, comma, greater than or equal to. Suppose here not equal to means what they are telling, two symbols they are giving, either this one or, okay, fine, this not equal to this one also they are giving. There are two ways, okay, fine. Either this one or that one only. Again, a logical operators. So what are the logical operators are available means and is a logical operator is there. And is a what logical operator? There is a keyword. Comma or is a logical operator is there. Comma not is a logical operator is there. Again here special operators means very important in every database. Special operators are what's most powerful. What is that one means? In is a special operator, opposite is not in. Here between is a what? A special operator, opposite is not between. Here is space null is a special operator, opposite is not null. Here like is a special operator, not like only. These are all the things we are learning about practical. But operators are available. Okay, fine. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, comparison operators, the relational or comparison operator, logical operators, special operators. In a books we are referring means these all operators are there, but no use. You are learning like this means no use. Operators are there, but where we are using what these operators, where we are not allowed to use these operators in a self statement, where which place only we are allowed to use in a self statement, which place only we are not allowed to use in a self statement. That is most powerful. That is so many fellows are doesn't know. That's why they are unable to write a query. What is that one means? Observe here, screen observe and see. Sorry, Oracle Corporation giving simple technique. Screen observe very important. Except arithmetic operators. This one, except arithmetic operators. These all operators, relational operators, observed here, screen observed here, relational operator, logical operator, special operators, only used in a where clause only. That's why up to now we are not telling about where clause. Today we are starting where clause only. Relational operators or logical operator or special operators only allowed to use in a where clause, where condition. So now here where condition only we are using. Suppose here select salary is greater than 2000 not working. Select star from EMP where salary is greater than 2000. Greater than is a what? A relational operator. That's a where clause only working. Select okay e-name and okay job only. They are writing means impossible. Why? Because and is a logical operator where we are using in a where clause. That's why select star from EMP where e-name okay so now here where salary is greater than 2000 and job is equal to clerk like that. Suppose here now here select occasion of your salary in occasion of your yes salary in 2000 3000 4000 comma we are using means it won't work. In is a special operator that we are using in a where clause. That's why select star from EMP where department number in 20 comma 70 comma 30 comma like this only. That's why always yes here except arithmetic operators. Except arithmetic operators. Today we are starting only except arithmetic operator. All operators, relational operator, logical operators, special operators, only allowed to use in a where clause only. Observe here. Here where clause only. Concentrate here. First step this one. Don't read. Where condition. Where clause only. In a where condition only these operators are using. But where we are using a what? Arithmetic operators. Yes, arithmetic operators not like that. Here select keyword is there. No? Yes, select keyword is there. After select here salary plus. Otherwise salary into 12 like this only. That's why arithmetic operators are used in a way after select only columns. Okay, some columns are there no here in the picturization side here a blue line only. After select keyword only here some columns are there. In those columns only here always arithmetic operators are used. But arithmetic operators 80% of the case like this only, but remaining 20% a special case only. What is that one? We can also use these arithmetic operators in a where clause also possible. Which case what is that one means practically we are learning today onwards. Here we can also use, that's why two ways or maybe 20% of the case we can also use arithmetic operators in a combination in a where we can also use in a where clause in a where arithmetic operators possible, which case means I will tell you. But except arithmetic operator, all other operators are used in a where condition only. Arithmetic operators are used in a where after select number of columns, comma is there. Yes, here we can also use arithmetic operators in a where clause only. This scenario, draw this one, take a snap otherwise. Then we are starting how we are writing up practically, very interesting. Write it this one. Draw this scenario, very important. All are writing this one, completed. Otherwise, take a snap through the mobile. All are writing this one. Fast. Okay, na? Completed. Okay, and now here, check it out. Yes, observe here. Based on this knowledge, you are only writing a what very easy way queries. How much easy means today you are understandable. Actually, now here, observe here. Based on this diagram only, easily you are a first time non-technical person also. Easily you are writing the queries. That's why what I am telling about first relational operators I am telling that is better. Why? Because relational operator first we are learning is very easy. Because non-technical persons easily understandable relational, then only arithmetic, then only logical, then only special, very, very important only. Special operator through all the things you are understandable, big queries also. First write it, relational operators. Relational operators. Relational operators. Where we are using a what relational operators already they are telling no what is that one relational operators are used in a where only is equal to less than or equal to only used in a where. Here relational operator only used in a where clause only there is. How and what is that one techniques I will tell you. Write it, some theory, write it in all relational databases. In all relational databases, relational operators are used in where clause only. Select it. In all relational databases, relational operators are used in where clause only. In all relational databases, relational operators are used in where clause only. Okay, na? Now, first query I am designing only. Now, anybody writing in our class, great. Why? Because I will tell you techniques before techniques only. Observe here. Suppose EMP table is there. What I'm asking only here, okay, so many rows are there. Okay, fine. Observe here. I want to display the employees except job as clerk. I'm asking only. I want to display the employees except job as clerk. I'm asking. Whenever I'm asking what in a query means, yes, two-step process. Two-step process means first step means the data is available in which column. First we have to find out. Clerk is a data is available in which column? Yes, here job is a column. That's why that column first we have to find out. This column we are using to find. But which operator suitable? Except. Except means which operator? Maybe except means which operator? Yes, here except means maybe this not equal to operator is suitable or not. Yes, not equal to operator is a relational operator categorization. Relational operators according to database rule, relational operators are used in a where clause. That's why the total construction we are writing in a where clause. Here where job not equal to clerk something is there, no, that construction we are using in a where clause. How and what is that one means I will tell you. Very important, very interesting only. First query you are only try it. Write a query to display the employees. First query, write a query to display the employees except job as clerk. Except job as clerk from EMP table. Very easiest one. Write a query to display the employees except job as clerk from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees except job as clerk from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees except job as clerk from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees except job as clerk from EMP table. or this EMP table is there. 1 minute, observe here. Maybe try it. Then I will tell you techniques. How can I write and all these things? I will tell you techniques. Try it your own way first. Then I will tell you. And now check it out. How you are writing the what queries, where you are mistaken means I will tell you. Now here, in a big queries also, we are writing a what here, in a big queries, in a database also, simple step, two-step process, not a single step. Two-step process only. That is keep it in mind. You are practicing a what this two-step process, you never mistaken big queries also. First step is step one. Step one is what is step one means? The data, whatever data they're asking only, that data is available in a where, which column we have to check it out. That is important. Suppose here in this case, clerk is a data, no? Clerk is a what data. This data is available in a where, which column we have to check it out. Which column the data is available or related data is available. Which column? Job is a column only. Okay, very good. First, that column you have to identify. This is the first step. Okay, fine. Second step is what? Second step is what? Which operators are suitable? Operators are suitable. That is important. Which operators? Yes, here observed here. Yes, write a query to display the employees except they're asking only. Except means maybe which operator is suitable. Yes, very good. Either not equal to or another symbol not equal to is there or not, that one. But unfortunately, yes, here not equal to is available in a where, not equal to is available in a where. Which one? Yes, this not equal to is available in a where under categorization of relational operators. According to database rules, relational operators are used in a where clause. That's why where clause only, within a where clause only, that column name and operator we are using. Which column? Job is a column. Which operator? Yes, not equal to operator like this. Okay, na? Based on that one only we are writing a what query. Now anybody tell me how can I? Very good. Select here star. Up to now select the star from EMP where. Very good. Up to this one, so many fellows are writing a what correctly. Observe here. Here only problem is occurred. Now check it out. First time newcomer, here only facing a problem. Where? Now here where? Column name, which column? Observe here. The data is available in which column? Job is a column. Okay, fine. Job is a column. Where column name operator, which operator? Either this symbol or this symbol, any operator also like this. Okay, na? Yes, here. Yes, this operator. Now data, where column name operator, data only, value only. What is the value? Clerk. It won't work. You are writing a what? Logically 100% correct. Where column name operator, relational operator, value correct also, it won't work. Why it is not working means clerk is a what? Data is a character data. Whenever in a database side, character data means anybody attending a what previous classes, single quotes I am telling only, single quotes compulsory. Number data means there is no problem, but character data means compulsory data, not a column name, data, single quotes compulsory. That's why it won't work. It will give a what? Error. First time newcomer, here only mistake. Suppose you are experienced person, you are writing a what? Here, single quotes. Here also single quotes you are writing also. Again, it won't work. Why it is not working means character data means this clerk is a data. Very careful. Data is a what? Character data is a what? Case sensitive. Case sensitive means capital letters are different. So now capital letters are different, and which one? Small letters are different only. Different in a way. Small letters and capital letters. Okay, small letters and capital letters are different. So now why? Because character data is a case sensitive. Here, small letter you are writing, but in my table, capital letters are there. Yes, you are observing or not. That's why be careful. Here, now character data we are inserting, we are updating, we are deleting, we are selecting only. Be careful. This is a character data. That's why in my tables, capital letters are there. In this one, small letter I'm writing. That's why wrong output. Here, clerk calls it will display or not. No use. Here, clerk is a what? Capital letter is there or not? That's why you are a good professional. Means how you are writing. Select a star from EMP where here column name job here not equal to here single quote capital letter clerk. Capital letter clerk means yes, automatically here 10 rows are displayed or not? Yes, here clerk only. Here salesman, here manager, it will display. Clerk is not displayed. Why? Because this is a query only. Now here very important. How it will be executed queries means next only. But first query construction you must familiar. Write it this one. Select star from. That's why first query this one I am writing. Okay. One village asked Murli sir, select star not possible in a where clause or no. Here group by clause, not this one. Okay. Yeah. In a future you are finished. Star means all columns only. Don't worry. In place of star, number of columns later, but first practicing. Based on this one, what is the syntax? All are writing a what? Capital letter? Very good. Yes, based on this one, what is the syntax means? Concentrate here. Select, don't write it, don't write it here. Select here, observe here, select here, star from table name up to this one. Okay. So now here everyone knows. Okay, fine. Here observe here. Yes, here. What is the syntax means? First is what query, then syntax means very easy. Where here column name, which column the data is there, related data is there, that column name. Here which operator, here relational operator, here we are using a what? Relational operator, any relational operator, in this case relational operator query side. Here value, the data is available in a where? In that column, related value or value, exact value means is equal to not equal to, related value means greater than 2000, 5000, like this means related value also possible or not. That's why this is a syntax only. Here value, like here value. Okay, that's why this is a syntax. First we are writing a what? Column name, relational operator and value only. Very easiest syntax. Write it, syntax, right? This syntax based, nobody mistaken now onwards. Here column name, here relational operator like this, here value like this. Okay. First right, very easy syntax, right? In any database also. Completed this one. Now onwards, nobody mistaken. Why? Because easiest queries only. Now here observe here. Now next query you are only writing. Suppose here this is a table is there. Select a star from EMP. Okay, how much easy means you are understandable. Suppose some salaries are there. I don't want to display all the employees only who are getting a what more than 2,000 salary. Yeah, this is nobody mistaken. Very easy. Write it. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees practice purpose. This all. Write a query to display the employees. Predefined EMP table is there. No, that place. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 2,000 salary from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 2,000 salary from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 2,000 salary from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 2,000 salary from EMP table. And now here fast tell me, nobody mistaken. And now here what is the first step? The data is available in which column? First you have to check it out. 2,000, 3,000 is available in which column? Very good. 2,000, that related value is available in which column? Very good. Sal is a column. Salary is not there. Sal is a column. Column name is important. EMP table. Sal is a column name. First step is finished. The data is available in which column? Sal is a column only. Okay, 2,000, 3,000 is available in which column? Sal is a column. Okay, fine. Second step is what? Which operator is suitable? Which operator means more than, they're asking. More than means, yes, everyone knows. So more than means maybe which operator is suitable? Very good. More than means maybe greater than is suitable. Now here greater than operator is available under relational operator. Relational operators are used in a where? Which one? Where clause. That's why where condition only we are using a what? That construction. Now tell me fastly. Nobody mistaken this one. Now fast. Tell select star from EMP where. Yeah. After where class compulsory column name. What is the column name? Sal is a column they are giving. Only maybe column practice purpose they are giving these predefined queries. Very easy. Oracle Corporation also same queries they are giving only. Now here Sal is a column name. Salary is not there. Here more than means which operator? Greater than. Value, which value? 2,000 means 2,000, 3,000 means 3,000, 5,000 means 5,000. Like this only. Yes. Automatically those rows only displayed. Oh, maybe these employees are getting more than 2,000. Some other employees are getting a what? Less than 2,000 also. 6 rows are selected or not? Yes, here. In place of star columns later, but first construction purpose. Very good. So many fellows are writing a what? This query. Very easy. How much easy this one? Very good. Easy or not? You are sleeping also, you are writing that much of easy queries. Only column names you don't have an idea, but logically very easy or not? Yes. Execution next only. Don't worry. First construction at least. Okay. Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay. Extension. Very important. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining one. Thank you. 11 o'clock by student, 11 o'clock ID through connected. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Easy, that easy. who are attending a what 11 a.m. meet already that 11 a.m. meeting ID is there. No? You have to connect.